The first time I think I ever really felt threatened was when someone poured gasoline in our back door and lit it on fire. Only the really big stuff makes the news. Maybe one of the small cherry bombs that was let off at our clinic that caused a little damage, maybe that made the news at the time. But just the day-to-day low drone of harassment never did it. Sort of thing that the alarms go off, you dial 911, you evacuate the patient. That is usually when you realize, oh, there are some people out there who really would like to hurt us.